We're going to dive into the world of screen recording using a tool you probably already have on your computer. PowerPoint. Yep, that's right. You can use PowerPoint to record your screen, and in fact, part of this video was recorded using it. So let's jump in. Once you're in PowerPoint, navigate to the Insert tab. It's usually third from the left at the top of the screen. Move all the way to the far right, and there you'll find the magic button, Screen Recording. Click on Screen Recording and a box will appear. This is where the fun begins. Click and drag to select the area of your screen that you want to record. It could be the entire screen or just a specific section. Once you've chosen your recording area, press the red dot and ta-da! You are officially recording. Now if the recording box is in the way, no worries. Just move away from it and it magically hides. Move your mouse back to the top of the screen and, like magic, the box reappears. Don't worry, it won't be visible in your capture. If you need to pause the recording, you can do that too. Now let's turn that masterpiece into a video file. Head up to the File tab, then go down to Export. Choose Create a Video. You'll be prompted to select the quality of your video. Full HD is usually a good choice, but you can pick what suits your needs. Then click Create Video. Now choose where you want to save your video file, give it a name and click Save. A bit of processing time later and you're done. Now it's up to you. You're good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe so that you can see more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.